Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 16-inch 2021 and the chip is M1 Max and the RAM is 64 gigabyte and you can see the 16-inch and storage is 1 terabyte. Okay, you can see the battery capacity is 96% and cycle count 91. And let me show you the graphics. You can see this graphics card is 24, and you can see the CPU. The CPU is 10 core, 8 core performance, and 2 core efficiencies. And this is a silver color, a beautiful color, and you can see the keyboard a little bit oily sheen. Okay, no scratch here, no scratch. The grills, no problem. Here's a little scratch, you can see. There's a little scratch, a little bit of scratch here. Okay, and the trackpad, no problem. The trackpad function is normal. And let me show you the logo surface. Okay, no problem. Here, a little dust. Okay, no problem. You can see M1 Max 64 gig RAM and 1 terabyte and 10 core CPU, 24 core GPU and okay, no problem. Here, yes, here is a scratch here. You can see a scratch. Okay, and let me show you the back. Okay, the back, no problem. No problem. A little bit dirty here. Okay, a little bit dirty here. And let me show you the ports. Okay, you can see so much scratches here. The port, and let me show you the corner, no problem. And let me show you the this edge. Okay, this edge you can see a little scratch here. Okay, no problem. And let me show you the corner. Okay, you can see the corner, no problem. The scratch, no scratch. The port, okay. And let me show you the others. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, only the logo surface has a little scratch, little scratches. Okay, let me show you the 16 inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. I change the gray color. Okay, you can see no problem, no bright spots and no dark spots. Okay, no problem the screen. And let me change the another gray color. Okay, you can see no problem, no problem the color. Okay, no problem. And let me change another color. Okay, this is the red color. Okay, no problem. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. Let me show you one more time the specification and the 64 gigabyte and M1 Max and 16 gigabyte, 16 inch the display and 1 terabyte. Okay. I'm Matt. See you in the next video.